the hillsides up there. But it seemed that the whole of creation that night was listening for the first note of the maestro. I approached Llangollen on a quiet back road from Corwen. Pavarotti's voice. We were all ears that night, even the ones who hadn't paid. River flow, rose bush, sheep's bleat, and the midges all searching for meaning that Sunday night on the back road of the world up the valley. Flowers on the roadside bent forward, the hue of the sunset awaiting a note. Old barns and red old chapels where the date has plastered off their face were waiting for the orchestra to herald the arrival. The Horseshoe Falls froze, boats stuck to the canal, the midges stopped biting, pets lay down so that they could hear Pavarotti's voice. The tenor inspired at 19 in his father's choir from Modena to return here someday. The ancient rocks bore witness. An entourage followed him this time, but at the end of the day, the mountain folk listened for the singular voice of that prophet. The train held its steam for an instant. Others dawdled on the bridge for a long, long time, admitting inwardly, at the end of festival and Eisteddfod, that feeling something like this, after all, is what life is all about.
Dreaming of the mountains of my home, of the mountains where in childhood I would roam. I had dwelt neath southern skies where the summer never dies, but my heart is in the mountains of my home.
Teenager. I had talent but no desire to develop it, knowledge but no wish to show, originality, but I left that to the others. I had the gift to see through things but seemed unmoved, was a cauldron of emotion but seemed transparent, so wished to be counted and yet chose to be invisible, slid to the back seat of the bus out of view. I held prejudices to please the crowd, yet in private these evaporated, sat on all the fences, despite being thought outspoken, yet in my room preached my sermon on the Mount. I had thought I was entitled to a vision, but nobody had ever told me so, until you came. It's nearly nightfall now, but I have got time to show you Valley Crucis Abbey, a very special setting. The Welsh court poets of yesteryear found refuge here, and the location has maintained its peace and comfort over the centuries.